Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to move categories on Discord using your mobile device. If you've been wanting to tidy up your server and keep everything organized, this simple method will help you reorder categories exactly the way you want them. First, open up the Discord app and head straight to the server you want to edit. Once you're inside that server, look at the very top of the screen and tap on the server's name. This will bring down a menu full of options. Here, choose the one that says Settings. Inside the server settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Channels. This is where all of your text channels, voice channels, and categories are stored. Tap on Channels, and from there you'll see an option that says Reorder. Go ahead and tap on Reorder to begin customizing the layout of your server. Now, you want to focus on your categories. Categories are what group your channels together, making your server much easier to organize and navigate. Once you're in the Reorder section, select the option to manage categories. From here, it's really simple. Press and hold on to the category you want to move. While holding, drag it up or down the list depending on where you'd like it to sit compared to your other categories. You can place it exactly where you need it, whether that's closer to the top for quicker access or further down to declutter the main view. After you've arranged everything exactly the way you want, all that's left to do is tap Done. Discord will automatically save your changes, and your categories will appear in the new order immediately on your server. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can quickly organize your categories on Discord Mobile, helping create a cleaner, more functional server for you and your community. Keeping things structured not only makes your server look better, but also makes it easier for everyone to find what they're looking for. If you've followed these steps, your server should now feel more organized and effortless to navigate. Thanks for watching.